in the or date key, date element. You can say it as an element in the HTML, right, in the CSS. If you use this date, month, right, where in the HTML or in the CSS, it will give the date on present date, right, the month, right, the week, everything we're going to get there. Same thing, we'll be having a date function, okay, date object in the JavaScript. It will display the current date, okay, it will display the current date. Today date is what, June 16th, right, Wednesday. Everything, each and everything, it will display today, display, right, the present current date, right. So in order to do that one, you're going to use a keyword. You're going to use the object called date object in the JavaScript, okay. So how to do that one? I no need these variables and all. So what I will do, I will remove this part. Okay. Uh, I don't need this another variable. I'll change this to date function. To date function. Right. So variable a, then new is the keyword to create a date, then followed with capital D A T E. Right. So close this and pass the variable name here. A. Only this much we have to do. Okay, we have to create the variable with the variable name. New is the keyword. In order to create any new object, we are creating a new object here. So that is the reason we are creating new. Right. Same way we can do for string also. We are also going to create a new object. Okay, we're going to create a new string object with the help of new keyword. Right. New date open. Okay, what result will get? That will be displayed there. First it will store in the variable a, and that will be displayed here. The document.write is acting as a printf function in the JavaScript, right? So today's state is what, 16. It should display 16. You can see the current date, time, everything is displaying. Wednesday, June 16, right? And 9:33, 10 seconds, right? Then all the information, okay, whatever the information related to date, right, date, month, day, everything it is displaying if you use the date command. Okay, in order to display this one, in order to use this one in the program, we're going to use dot toString. Okay, I want this date to be called. Okay, I want this date to be called in my program. Then we're going to use dot toString. Okay, dot toString, that will be used to get the statement. It will consider, it will convert this date, it will convert this date into a string, and we can pass that string into the JavaScript program. Okay, this is what a date keyword is. Date object will do, right? So what basically our date object will do, it will give, okay, it will display the current time or current time, date, day, whatever is there related to the this one, right, date, time, it will be displayed there. Related to the calendar, okay, it will display in the browser window.